Attention viewer, you are watching the world's biggest monster truck diecast YouTube channel. This is Monster Jam OCD.
Well, welcome back everyone to another review video. Today we are reviewing the Target 3-pack Full Moon Frenzy by Spin Master and Monster Jam. Previously I reviewed the Curse of the Gasoline 3-pack, very similar format to this, which featured the Green Ghost Gravedigger, Scooby-Doo, and Mystery Machine. And today we have the next story 3-pack, which is the Zombie versus the Gravediggers. So Gravedigger and Son of a Digger, they are taking on the Zombie. And if you guys didn't watch my previous video, I recommend watching it. I will leave a link at the end of this video. But I will recap what these are. These, again, are stories told through monster trucks. So you can see the 124 scale antagonist or bad guy versus the 164 scale protagonist or heroes. So these are the good guys. This is the bad guy. And this is obviously two 164s against a big 124 scale. So this has never been done before. It's actually brand new for this year. Again, like I said in my previous video as well, I hope that they continue doing these because it's very creative. I think it's one of the coolest ideas ever to come across the Monster Jam world. And you can see we have these trucks. So we're going to review them. First, I'll show you guys the packaging. So you can see there's the logo, Full Moon Frenzy. A lot of 3D cardboard cutout here. There's some graves. We have a cool background. Just basically a graveyard. There's a zombie there, a very creepy zombie. And a zombie arm reaching out of the gravestone. And then you can see there's Gravedigger, Son of a Digger, and the giant 124 scale zombie. And yes, these do feature brand new graphics. So they all have exclusive graphics to this set, and which will never be released again in future sets. So that's pretty awesome too. And if we look on the sides, just renders of each truck besides the big zombie. So there's that. And then on the back of the box, we have the Curse of the Gasoline pack, which I just reviewed recently. And then we have the next pack, which I will review, the In Too Deep pack, the C pack with the 124 scale bad guy Megalodon versus the two 164 scales Pirate's Curse and Octanator. So I'm going to unbox this truck, or this set, I should say, and I will be right back with the review. So here they are out of the box, the trucks themselves. We have the Gravedigger and the Son of Digger 164s, and then we have the big 124 scale zombie. We will start with the 164 scale trucks, and the first thing I want to mention is actually that they have the 2020 Boneyard trucks roll cages. So these are the second and third editions that we're seeing so far for this year up to this point in time. I recently reviewed Mix 10, which I will also leave a link for at the end of this video, which featured the first singles release of the Boneyard trucks. The singles releases do not feature specialized graphics, but they do feature the Boneyard trucks roll cages. As you can see, the same roll cage is being used for this truck and the Son of Digger, which we will also be seeing later this year in singles packs. But they're slightly different. There's different colors, and there's actually glitter in these ones. So there is the Boneyard Trucks roll cages, and we'll take a look at the Gravedigger first. So again, the roll cage has glitter in it, which is pretty cool, or metal flake, whatever you prefer to call it. And then it has a different, almost a pure bone color, not a dried bone, kind of a tan color roll cage. And then we have the tires, which are kind of like a dusty brown, I would say. And then lime green rims with this truck. Same with the chassis, same color, lime green. And again, there's the Boneyard roll cage, so you can see all the detail, tons of detail. You'll actually have to take the body off to see the full extent of the detail of this roll cage. And then the graphics, you can see there is actually nail marks or scratches from the giant zombie scratching the 164 scale Gravedigger to defend himself. And there's scratches here, there's scratches here. On the roof, there are also scratches. And you can see the grim is a little bit weird because it has been scratched up as well. The hood there with some scratches down it. And then nothing with the headlights. I kind of wish they would have done like a broken headlight, but nothing with the headlights. The other side panel, different style scratches. So you can see the pattern is way different than the other side. So that's pretty cool. They did a split paint job edition. And that's basically the extent of the detail for this truck, the Gravedigger. And then we have the Son of Digger, which are a little easier to see for the scratches as far as those go. So you can see there's one here, 3 here, and then kind of one that continues up into the window area there. On this side, we have the same, similar style, actually. Okay, they are different. I thought they were the same. 2 here and 2 here. You can see the gashes. I like how it's like bright inside of the truck. I'm not sure how you explain that, but it's got like light coming out of it. And then nothing on the headlights as well for this truck, but there is a scratch on the hood, 4 fingers there. And then scratch here, here, and 3 down the back. So there is Son of Digger, and then the roll cage is the same color with the metal flake, but the same Boneyard Trucks edition. Dark blue rims and a dark blue chassis, and the same color tires as all of these trucks feature in this pack. So pretty awesome. I love the scratching detail of these trucks. I was kind of curious when they said they were doing this specific pack, how they would do the graphics. So I'm very satisfied with how they did them. And then we have the big 1/24 scale bad guy, the zombie from the graveyard. And the first detail that you'll notice is that it has stitching. So it has been battling the Gravedigger and the Son of Digger, and you can see it has detail of the stitching on the side panel. I've heard from crew chiefs and crew guys that this is exactly how, or very similar to, what they look like when they patch up real life fiberglass. So I'm wondering if the design team was using that inspiration for this. But also I want to point out how clear the graphics are. This is another thing that Spin Master has been working on, graphic quality on 1/24 scales. So look how clear that is. That's awesome. And then the tailgate, they do have the stitching or the repair all the way across the back here and there as well. And then this side has more of the same. I think it's the same pattern reversed for this side for the zombie. So there's that, and nothing on the roof or the hood as far as I can tell for new graphics. Unfortunately, they didn't do like a damaged eyeball or missing teeth or some stitching on the nose. They kind of left that alone, which I wish they would have done a little more detail with. But there is the roof, there's the hood, and then of course the functioning zombie arms from Spin Master. This is the 2nd year now, and they are still doing the zombie arms, which is awesome. And then it has dark maroon rims with the same muddy brown tire color, and then a black motor, or kind of like a charcoal motor without the chrome effect, and then it has a very similar color to the motor, but not exact gray chromish chassis. So that is the Full Moon Frenzy pack, another Target exclusive pack for this year. These will be running I think until like September or so, or even past that point. So you guys have plenty of time to find them. They will be arriving in Target stores if they have already not very soon. They've already been due out, and I've seen many people find them. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like this pack. Please comment below. Let us know what you guys think about this pack and the idea of continuing possibly these story packs into 2021. I hope they do. These are awesome. They're definitely something different, and they offer a brand new idea to the table. So I have no complaints. I think these are awesome. So that is the Full Moon Frenzy. I hope you guys enjoyed it again. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Ryan or Monster OCD signing out.